I forgot one thing, which is probably the most important thing. I spent a week in Ladakh. I went to Pangong Lake, right in front of where the Chinese are. And I had detailed discussions, probably the most detailed discussions that any politician outside Ladakh has had with the people of Ladakh. And specifically, the shepherds of Pangong Lake, the leaders of Pangong Lake, and the common people who live around Pangong Lake. And they categorically told me that the Chinese have taken Indian land. They categorically told me that the Prime Minister is lying about the fact that the Chinese have not taken Indian land. And every single person in Ladakh knows that the people of India and the people of Ladakh have been betrayed by the government of India. There is clearly an accommodation that has happened between the government and the Chinese. There is clearly a change on the borders. Our shepherds themselves told us that they are not being allowed into the areas where they were allowed. So this is known to everybody. Unfortunately, our press doesn't raise these issues, but these are issues of national importance, of national security. And it is shameful, extremely shameful, what has happened in Ladakh.